Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Alois Baraka Nyagar. Today I'm excited to share with you my feedback. Data science course with Python I recently pursued with at Sankiana Consultants. A little bit about myself. I'm a detail-oriented economics student from Kenyatta University, Kenya, and I have a deep passion for data. That's what led me to explore the field of data science and ultimately join the data science with Python course at Sankiana. I was fortunate enough to receive the gold scholarship from Sankiana Education, which made it possible for me to enroll in the course. Now, this scholarship the financial burden and allowed me to fully immerse myself in the training over the course of 4 months. Typically, that's the period I was trained. I was thoroughly impressed by the quality of the program, to be sincere. The curriculum was comprehensive, covering key concepts in data science with a focus on practical applications using Python. The course outline was provided in due time and prior, which made it even possible for a student like me to prepare and more advance in terms of preparation on what to expect. And the PDFs and the modules were shared proper manner, and to salute our trainer for making them simple to follow, detailed enough, and well organized. The hands-on project and real-world example provided valuable insight and helped solidify my understanding of the material. I also want to give a special shout out to my trainer, Tapaswani Nayak. Tapaswani's expertise and friendly demeanor made the learning experience truly enjoyable. She was always available to provide guidance and support, even during odd hours, which demonstrated genuine commitment to the success of the students. In conclusion, I wholeheartedly recommend the data science with Python course at Sankiana to anyone passionate about diving into the world of data science. The training was exceptionally good. The trainer was approachable. That's a better part of it. And the scholarship opportunities make it even accessible to students from diverse backgrounds.